Welcome back to our delicious journey through the world of pasta. In today's video, we're going to explore some more mouth-watering pasta varieties. If you thought you knew everything about pasta, think again. Get ready for a pasta extravaganza as we delve into the wonderful world of pasta. Let's get started. Penne. We begin our pasta adventure with a classic favorite, penne, named after the Italian word for quills. Penne is a versatile pasta shape that features cylindrical tubes with diagonally cut ends. Its hollow center and rigid exterior makes it the perfect choice for holding on to thick and chunky sauces. Penne is a staple in many Italian dishes, and you often find it paired with hearty sauces like marinara or creamy sauce. Macaroni. Next up, we have the ever-popular macaroni. This small curved pasta shape is a childhood favorite for many, particularly when it comes to macaroni and cheese. And can be used in a variety of dishes, including pasta salads, casseroles, and even soups. Its tubular shapes allows it to soak up flavors and sauces, making each bite burst with deliciousness. Fusilli. Prepare to get twisted with fusilli. This pasta shape features long spiral twists that resemble corkscrews. The spiral holds onto sauces exceptionally well, making each forkful a flavorful experience. Fusilli's fun shape also adds a visual appeal to any dish, making it a great choice for pasta salads or baked pasta dishes. So the next time you're feeling adventurous, give fusilli a whirl. Cannelloni. If you're in the mood for something truly indulgent, look no further than cannelloni. These large cylindrical pasta tubes are traditionally stuffed with delicious fillings like ricotta cheese, spinach, or meat. Once filled, they are typically baked in a rich tomato sauce or creamy bechamel sauce. Cannelloni is a true crowd pleaser, perfect for special occasions or whenever you're craving some Italian comfort food. Cavatappi. Get ready to take a twirl with cavatappi. This pasta variety features a unique spiral shape, resembling a corkscrew or a spring. The ridges on cavatappi hold onto sauces, ensuring each bite is packed with flavor. Its whimsical appearance makes it a hit with both kids and adults alike. Cavatappi is often featured in dishes like pasta bakes, as well as in creamy mac and cheese recipes. Gnocchi. Let's switch gears for a moment and talk about gnocchi. Unlike the previous pasta shapes we've explored, gnocchi is actually a type of dumpling made from potatoes, flour, and sometimes eggs. These small, pillowy dumplings are incredibly versatile and can be served with a variety of sauces. From simple marinara to creamy pesto, gnocchi has a soft and delicate texture that melts in your mouth, making it a comfort food favorite. Lasagna. This iconic pasta dish needs no introduction. Layer upon layer of wide, flat pasta sheets intermingled with rich meat or vegetable fillings. Smothered in cheese and sauce, lasagna is a true culinary masterpiece. It takes time and effort to prepare, but the end result is absolutely worth it. Lasagna is often a centerpiece at family gatherings and celebratory meals, and it's a guarantee to leave everyone satisfied. Rigatoni. Now let's turn our attention to rigatoni. With its wide, rigid tubes, rigatoni is known for its ability to hold onto robust sauces. These hollow pasta tubes are cut straight at both ends, providing a substantial bite and capturing plenty of flavors. Rigatoni works well in baked dishes, as the tubes can be filled with cheese or meat to create a delightful surprise with each mouthful. Shells. Finally, we arrive at the ever-charming shells. Shells, also known as conchiglie, come in various sizes, from small to jumbo. Their shell-like shape holds onto sauces and fillings, making them perfect for stuffing or capturing bites of chunky sauces. Shells are a versatile option that can be used in pasta bakes, salads, or simply served with a delicious tomato sauce. Their playful appearance adds a touch of whimsy to any dish. And that concludes our Pasta Part 2 video. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of all these different types of pastas. These pasta varieties offer a world of flavors and possibilities, allowing you to create endless delicious dishes. So grab your apron and get cooking. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures in future videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty episode. Until next time, happy cooking!